Greater is he who is in me than he who is in the world. 1 John 4:4. Hello, it's your girl, Adana Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today, I'm just going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to do the rubber band method with the box braids. And if you guys like this look, make sure you guys continue to watch. Okay, so today for this style, you're going to need a couple things. You're going to need some good moisturizer to make sure your hair is nice and moist, rubber bands, eco gel, edge control, and some braiding hair. I usually don't use GLAM, but only for this one because I want to do 613. And then I went ahead and got free stretch hair from your local beauty supply store and some Got2b glue gel. So right now what I'm doing is separating my hair and parting it, and just using the edge control on that hair, on my hair, and making sure it's all tight and neat once I put it in the rubber band. So right now I'm just brushing it with my toothbrush. Y'all, I couldn't find my edge control brush, so you just have to use what we have. So yeah, right now I'm just doing this rubber band method, as you guys can see. And I like to use this method because it's so much easier rather than just parting it and then braiding it at a certain time. And I just like to go ahead and part the hair, put rubber bands on it, and then go ahead and just braid my whole head. It just makes it more easier for me. But usually I don't do this type of rubber band method, but today I wanted to, just so I can just throw some braids in my hair because I really wanted to do something with my hair and I was tired of dealing with my natural hair. So as you guys can see, I'm just repeating the same method, putting edge control and Got2b glue, brushing it and putting it in with the rubber band. And make sure you guys don't put it too tight because you don't want your hair to break off. Okay, so I'm just repeating the same method. And remember, don't put it too tight because you want your hair to not be able to break off, because sometimes this method can break off your hair depending on how tight you do it. So yeah. Okay, so what I'm doing next is just putting some eco gel on my hair and making sure it's straight so when I braid it. And the method that I like to use when braiding is splitting the hair, one side of the hair in half, and then using the middle part of the hair and connect it with my real hair, and then it gives a nice even look. And again, in this video you will see how I did that. So yeah, I just took a great amount of hair, and I wanted mine to be longer, so I just added on some more hair to give it more length because I like my braids past my butt. So yeah, if you know me, that's what I like, period. Okay. So yeah, I was just standing up to show you guys the length of how long I am doing my braids, so you guys can get a greater look at it. And I'm just continuing the same steps as I go braiding. And I like to braid tight and neat and close together because I feel like that's how your braids last longer when you do them tight. So as you guys can see, I'm continuing the method of parting the hair on one side all the way down, and separating it, and then go ahead and add that middle part to my real hair and go ahead and just start braiding. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is adding that 613 Kinkaline jumbo silky Kinkaline hair in my head, and just go ahead and braiding my hair. And I only wanted one streak because, you know, that's just what I like. I don't like too much, so I always have to have 613 in my hair if I'm doing all black braids, because I feel like that streak just gives it that extra pop to the hair. So yeah. Okay, y'all, now what I'm doing is applying Got to Be glue to my edges, because this is the best edge control that I like to use for my edges. And you guys will see me using this and this only. I don't lay my edges with nothing else, because this works for me since I have 4C hair, and it just lays them down all day long. When I tell you my edges don't move, they don't move. All right, this is the finished product, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And also, you guys go ahead and check out my videos in my description box below. And you guys have a blessed and highly favored day.